Welcome to On the Chain.
I'm looking at Twitter, and Twitter isn't necessarily the place that you want to hang out. Because when you hang out on Twitter, or you get your Twitter feed notifications, you start realizing that there's too many people out there that consider themselves to be, modern day Clark Kents. I don't know, maybe, know what newspapers they work for. You know, I, I don't know, where they're getting their information from. I don't know why there has to be a boogeyman, hidden behind every turn. I don't know why there has to be a hidden document that can be found by, a common everyday, person uncovering hidden documents on a daily basis with hidden messages and hidden meanings and secrets that only they can uncover. I don't know why people want to connect dots because they're looking for a specific desired outcome. So they draw the dots to, in the end, achieve whatever whatever their desired outcome is, But this is a notion of where we start seeing this separation. We start seeing this idea, that sometimes sometimes something is just because it is. It doesn't mean that there's something hidden behind it. Just because someone is in a meeting doesn't mean that they adhere to whatever notion someone else in the same meeting adheres to. It gets so out of control. It gets so crazy. Now, why do people invest in cryptocurrency? Think about that. People are investing in cryptocurrency to better themselves, to better their lives. People came to cryptocurrency because they see a technology that is developing, that is expanding. They see a technology in the payment space that could potentially replace fiat and all the things that are broken within the current infrastructure. So why when it comes to cryptocurrency are people looking for hidden agendas and secret documents behind every stone? Now, there is some wrongdoing out there. There are some issues that have been happening, and some of it is in your face. Some of it is very obvious. Why don't you take those people to task? Why don't you take those people to their word? Now, this becomes problematic because this is where politics goes bad. This is where individuals that are looking for freedom will support someone that wants to take away your freedom. What sense does that make? That doesn't make any sense. I don't want to single this person out because the person is going to lose their election. So it's irrelevant. But it's the community that is relevant. It's the crypto community that is relevant. It's the crypto community that's upset me. It's people here, even in the on the chain community, that have upset me because they don't get it. They don't understand. They become one issue voters. They don't understand the bigger picture. Maybe they're putting their head in the sand and they're ignoring the bigger picture. Maybe they've forgotten the entire reason why they came to cryptocurrency to begin with. Maybe they've forgotten the notion of what Bitcoin stands for. People come out to, proof of work, I don't like mining. Bitcoin is bad. Bitcoin's not good. Who cares? I don't care. Why not diversify? Why not diversify your portfolio? But the point is that you get into this notion of maximalism to your own detriment. It kills me. I have all this stuff that I wanted to talk about today, and yet I get sucked into reading this Twitter feed. I look at people singling out the Ethereum Alliance, the Ethereum Foundation. It must be evil. It must be bad. Ethereum is so bad. Were there members within government in a non-elected government position that might have chosen and decided to choose, winners and losers? That's possible. Did Jay Clayton, the chair of the SEC, decide to drop a massive lawsuit against Ripple on the very day or the day before that he resigned? Yes, he did. Was that detrimental to XRP? Yes. Was that detrimental to many across the world? Yes. Did people lose as a direct result? Yes. When Gary Gensler came in from a different party, did he continue and support the chaos? Yes. Does he care about crypto? No. Did he teach at MIT? Yes. Was he wrong when he taught at MIT? Probably. But two people, two chairs of an SEC, both corrupted against crypto, both supporting winners and losers, both choosing sides. Was there wrongdoing? I don't know. Innocent until proven guilty. That's what I say. Is there, evidence of wrongdoing? I don't know. I did see, though, that recently, as of yesterday, on Twitter, people started attacking the Token Taxonomy Act. Oh, the Token Taxonomy Act was supported by the Ethereum Foundation. It must be bad. Did they ever read the Token Taxonomy Act? Did they ever reach out to that congressional representative and engage him in dialogue? Or did they just come out and say, he's bad? His bill was bad. What insanity. Now, if you want to get a bill passed through Congress, do you think you do it by just coming to the XRP community and saying, hey guys, within the XRP community, I'm trying to pass this bill through Congress, and I want to be an XRP maximalist? Or maybe I don't understand XRP, so I'm going to beat up on XRP. And I'm going to upset the XRP community because I'm going to be an Ethereum maximalist or a Bitcoin maximalist. Or maybe I'm looking at crypto as crypto more from a generic perspective because I don't really understand any of the different digital assets. So I want to be digital asset agnostic. Or maybe we're trying to pass legislation and you have to bring it to every single organization to try to get your cryptocurrency legislation passed. Maybe there's certain representatives like Warren Davidson and Darren Soto and others, Tom Emmer and others, that are trying to pass positive crypto legislation. Then there's others like Elizabeth Warren and the Shermanator and others that are antagonistic to cryptocurrency. Maybe you have to talk to all organizations to pass your legislation. I guarantee those that came out against the Token Taxonomy Act, mainly only because the Ethereum Alliance had something called the Token Taxonomy Initiative. Ooh. The Ethereum Alliance talked about the Token Taxonomy Initiative. The Token Taxonomy Act must be bad. And now I'm going to go find dots and I'm going to connect dots to show that it must be bad. I am in total disbelief. I am in total shock. And then this individual on Twitter runs off and looks for the candidate that is running against Warren Davidson and says, I'm going to support this candidate. Oh, support this candidate. Oh, by the way, where do you stand on XRP? You know what? Where do you stand on cryptocurrency? Where do you stand on freedom? Where do you stand on energy independence? Where do you stand on the First Amendment? Where do you stand on the overreach of social platforms like YouTube and Twitter and Facebook? Where do you stand on the Second Amendment? Where do you stand on life? Where do you stand on all of these other issues? Do you support the green agenda? What do you support? Oh, you might support crypto? Oh, let's all support that person. They might support crypto. Oh my God, it's hilarious.
Are you down with OTC? Please like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified when the next video drops.